Why we are using the UV light? We are using UV light because we have to cure the gel polish. There is difference between natural nail polishes and gel polish. Nail paints that we find on the stores, they are air dry, so they're drying 5 to 10 minutes after application. These are special gel polishes which will cure only under UV light, and they are not air dry. So we'll have to use UV light or LED light to cure.
Is there any specific brand or something you have to choose for these kind of gel polishes?
There are various brands available right now in market. There are many Indian brands as well. But if you want to go for standard brands, you can go for Bold P, you can go for Glam, you can go for Blue Sky. The Shields is a very good brand right now. And so the products are really good. So you can choose any of them.
Can I use the yellow color bottle, right?
Okay. Why we are using it? This is cuticle oil, and we are giving back the natural oils to the nail and the skin around the nail because we had dried it in the past while we were prepping it. So we had buffed the natural nail and everything. We had cut the cuticle, so there is a lot of dryness here. So to get back the natural oils and hydration, we will use cuticle oil at the end of the surface.